The Misfit sticks close to his bigger brother. Now in enemy territory, they need to make a kill and get out again before the punks find them. But one of the Misfit's aunts opts out of the hunting party. Instead, she sets off alone, heading north, directly towards the punks. The rest of the Pride, including the Misfit, sticks close to the river. Their decision to cross appears to pay off. Impala, heading to drink. It's October, peak of the dry season. Thirsty herbivores have no option but to make the dangerous journey to the river. It's the only place left with water in the 110-degree heat. It's a gamble, but the antelope know over this open ground they should be able to outrun the carnivores. Impala are among the great athletes of the animal kingdom, able to leap 10 feet high and 30 feet in distance. The lions bide their time, waiting for the right moment. They can't afford to waste precious energy on fruitless chases in this heat. And they have another reason to pause. Hyenas. The river clan, sniffing around for an easy steal. The muscular carnivores are the Pride's arch rivals. The two species often come to blows over kills, so the lions don't want to hunt now and risk losing their spoils. The big cats may have more muscle power pound for pound, but hyenas have almost twice the bite force of lions. Hyena clans have been known to kill cornered lone lions. For now, the Misfit and his pride will wait. Night may give them the upper hand. As darkness draws in, the hidden nocturnal world reveals itself. The cloak of night gives the Pride an advantage over their prey. Lion's vision has evolved to make them masters in darkness. Their eyes contain extra light-sensitive rods, enabling them to see in low light levels 7 times better than humans. However, their night vision is only marginally better than Impala's. But it's that narrow advantage that the Nsefu Pride hopes to exploit. They wait for the hyenas to leave. Then head inland, tracking the impala herd as it returns to the plains to graze. The impala lead them further into enemy territory. Hunger is giving them no option. Given the chance, lions can eat up to 18 pounds of meat a day. But catching speedy prey like impala is hard for inexperienced hunters like the Misfit and his brother. Once they start the chase, the pride can only keep up with the antelope for very short bursts. So surprise is vital. The females spread out in a pincer formation. But the Misfit's inexperience shows. His mistimed run scares a slumbering giraffe, and the panicked herd scatters. The pride cannot afford to waste time in dangerous territory. They try again. This time, the Misfit and his brother are kept back. "85% of hunts in prides are carried out by females, and it's clear these lionesses are experts." An impala buck. It's welcome food, but not nearly enough to feed 9 hungry lions. The blood-stained adults quickly devour the choicest parts. But with so little meat, it soon becomes a tug of war. The youngsters must make do with scraps. Only 5 minutes after being brought down, the 100-pound impala is gone. The pride needs more food. So the females head off again, leaving the oblivious Misfit with his siblings. The stragglers are so busy cleaning their blood-soaked fur, they don't see the females leave. It's only minutes before the determined Nsefu lionesses set their sights on another impala herd. They dispatch the target quickly. However, after the excitement of the hunt, they soon realize that the youngsters of the pride are nowhere to be seen. The Misfit and his siblings are alone, deep in enemy territory.